We have already solved couple of questions from art, sector and segment. This topic we have already discussed. In today's video, I have some practice questions from this topic. So we are going to discuss those questions in today's video. So today's question is, you can see this is arc length here given is 26 centimeter. Angle theta is equal to 51 degree and we have to find this radius. Let this be O and this be A and B. So arc length AB is 26 centimeter. We have the formula arc length is equal to theta by 360 times 2 pi r. And what is arc length? Arc length is 26 centimeter. Theta is 51 degree and 360 is already in the formula, and then 2 times pi and r we have to find. So our finally, after plugging in different values, we get this equation, and from this equation you have to find r. So one method is you can find r by cross multiplication method, where you cross multiply, so you get 51 times 2 pi r is equal to 26 times 360 degree, and then r is equal to 26 times 360, 26 times 360 divided by 51 times 2 pi, and we know that pi is equal to 3.14. So for pi we will plug in this value here. So we can write it as 26 times 360 divided by 51 times 2 times 3.14, and on solving we get r equals to 29.2. So answer here would be 29.2 centimeters. I hope so far it is clear. Now we will take up the next question. In the second question, you can see we are given area of this sector 80 centimeter square, and this central angle, this angle is 139 degree, and we have to find the radius r. So for area of sector, our formula is theta by 360 times pi r square, and in this case area of sector we have 80, so we can write 80 here, and theta and 360, theta is how much? Theta is given 139, so we will write 139 by 360 times pi. Pi, we can write the value of pi 3.14, and r is how much? R is, we have to find r, so you can write 1 here. Now using cross multiplication method, again multiply 80 times 360, which is equal to 139 times 3.14 times r square. Now r square will be equal to 80 times 360 divided by 139 times 3.14, which gives us r square equal to 65.98, which is equivalent to 66, we can write. So R is equal to under root 66 centimeter, which is 66 under root under root 66 and then bracket closed, and that gives us 8.12. So our answer is 8.12 centimeter. Or we can write here 8.1 centimeter. If it is required to write just one digit after the decimal, our answer would be 8.1 centimeter. I am again going to discuss first question, and this time I will discuss the method that is explained in the book. Some of the students want to understand that method also, so I am going to share that. You can see the arc length is 26 centimeter and this angle is 51. So with this information, first we will try to find the circumference. What is the circumference of this circle? We don't know the radius, but we know this angle and this arc length, so we can find the circumference. So for that we will use unitary method. 51 degree angle gives you an arc length of 26 centimeter in a particular circle. Then 1 degree angle will be 26 by 51 centimeter, and a circle, as you all know, subtends an angle of 360 degree around a point. This is 360 degree. So 360 degree angle will, if a circle has 360 angle, which is already we know is true, so 26 by 51 times 360 will give you the length of the circumference. So that is what we are getting, the circumference of the circle. Circumference of the circle. Now circumference of the circle is this much, and if we assume this to be r, so formula for circumference is 2 pi r, which is equal to 26 by 51 times 360. So r is equal to what? 21 by 51 times 360 divided by 2 times pi, which is the value of r, and on solving it on calculator we will get the value of r. So r is 29.2. On solving this, you will get 29.2 centimeter, which we got in the previous case also. So 29.2 centimeter is the answer. Hope this explanation was clear. This is third question, and in this question we are given the arc length 19.2 centimeter, radius r equal to 7.5 centimeter, and we are required to find this angle. So they can give any two things, and third thing you have to find. So this is easy. Arc length is 19.2, radius is 7.5, and theta you have to find. So formula for arc length you already know is this. Now plug in all the values, corresponding values. So arc length 19.2, theta you have to find. This is 360, and this is 2 pi r. R here is 7.5. Instead of this, I can write 7.5. So ultimately you are getting 7.5 times 2, 15 pi. 15 pi and theta by 360. That is 19.2 is equal to 15 pi theta by 360. You can write 1 here and then cross multiplication. 15 pi theta times 1 will give you 15 pi theta, and this side cross multiplication gives you 19.2 times 360. So this equal to this, and now theta will be 19.2 times 360 divided by 15 times pi, and that on solving you can get the value of theta. So on solving I am getting it 146.75, which you can write as 147 degree. So answer here should be 147 degree. I hope my explanation so far was clear. If you have any question, you can put it in the comment section. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.